Morning, afternoon, evening people, welcome back to the channel. It's the first time here. I'm Tony, this is little Teddy, and we've got another little addition today, or not so little. This is Whiskey. So he's not a new addition to the channel. This is my stepdaughter and her husband's dog. They're at a wedding, so we're dog sitting. Anyway, oh hi Whiskey, he's jumping up at me now. So what's up for you today? Got the PeakDo LinkPower 3. If you have been following the channel, you know I've done several videos on running Starlink Mini off grid. I did review the PeakDo LinkPower 2, and they've kindly sent me out the LinkPower 3 to review. Now, I will put the video for LinkPower 2 on the screen up here at the end of this video if you do want to see that. So today's video we're going to review this. Now it says it'll run Starlink Mini for 5 hours. However, the LinkPower 2 also said 5 hours, and if I remember correctly, I got 5 hours and 45 minutes out of that. So I'm expecting more than 5 hours out of this. So another good feature is it also works like a UPS. So you can have this plugged into Starlink, and you can plug the Starlink power cable into here. And what happens then, if there's a power outage or a power cut, you don't use internet, it automatically switches to the battery. So it's perfect if you need a stable internet connection. Maybe you get regular power cuts, or you're off grid, run a generator that might run out, or solar that might cut out, or battery that might die. Anyway, we'll plug this in, charge it up fully, and we're going to plug it into Starlink and see how long it runs Starlink for. So it comes nicely packed in this film. Accessories, I assume it's a cable, charging cable, LinkPower 3 itself, and instructions. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to plug this in now first while that's charging, do any updates. What I've noticed, I don't use the Mini very often, is it doesn't update. I don't have to do an update, it uses any more battery power. So I'm going to plug it into the update first. Now quickly while I'm here, I want to thank someone called Alex Rocks 24/7. In my last video he sent me a £5 super chat and said to get Teddy a tasty treat. Now Teddy's very fussy. He only eats gravy bones. The only treats he'll have is gravy bones. If you get him a jumbo or a chew, he'll take it away, he'll bury it. He'll bury it in his bed, he'll bury it in our bed, he'll bury it in the sofa, or he'll bury it in the garden. But he won't eat it. So yeah, thank you Alex. Teddy's got a box of gravy bones. And don't worry, Whiskey got some too. Right, so I'll plug this in, hook it up, let it do the updates. That'll be charged. We're going to go through the features of that LinkPower 3. I do believe this is the first look. It's just been released. They contacted me, PeakDo, saying would I like to do a video on it because they liked the last video. Anyway, let's crack on. Okay, so there's 3 ways of charging this LinkPower 3. You can plug this into the Starlink power lead, and it magnetically connects to there to charge it. You could plug a Type C in there, which is how I have just charged it, or you can plug the Starlink cable directly into here, and then it acts like a UPS, which I'm going to demonstrate now. Now I'm going to put a link in the description of the video and a link in the pinned comment with a discount code for this LinkPower 3. So I'm going to set it up for you now. The Starlink's all updated, ready to go. So I'll just show you how it attaches to the Starlink. As you can see, I haven't used it yet. Take that tape off. That cable plugs straight in there. That plugs into the Starlink and it clicks into place. Then what we can do, if we're using it like a UPS, we can plug the Starlink power cable into there. So it's running off the mains or a power station or a generator or whatever you're using. If that generator packs in, was a power cut, the battery will automatically kick in, run the Starlink, give you continuity of internet connection. So I'm going to set this up, start a timer on my phone, and we're going to see how long this will run the Starlink alone. There's whiskey. Okay, so start the stopwatch. That's current running Starlink now. Unplug the cable. Now there is an app with this Link 3. Oh, the difference between the LinkPower 2 and the LinkPower 3, the LinkPower 2 only use Bluetooth. The LinkPower 3, you can connect LinkPower itself to the Wi-Fi coming from the Starlink Mini, and you can monitor it remotely. So you could have that at your cabin or wherever, and you could monitor the status of your internet connection and battery status remotely. So that's the upgrade with LinkPower 3. Right, so we're at 50% now. I wasn't sure how long it's been going, but I'm not. Let's wait to the end of the video. See how long it's actually lasted. Now I forgot to mention the small screen there on the LinkPower 3 has all the same information on it that you can see in the app. Battery percentage, how many watts has been drawn, how much battery time is left, etc. I'll give you a closer look at that at the end of the video. But I don't want to move the Starlink right now because obviously I'm connected to the internet. I don't want to disrupt it and have to find satellite again, etc, etc. So that might use more battery. So I'll bring you back now when the battery's at a few percent, maybe 4 or 5%, and we'll get the verdict. Right, so just have a look, the battery's now at 2%. I'll show you. Don't know how well you can see that. But the battery's at 1% now. Took it right down to 1%. So, let me stop the stopwatch. Now on the tin, the box, it says 5 hours. I knew we'd get more. The LinkPower 2, I got just short of 6. With this one now, the LinkPower 3, got 6 hours 19 minutes. 6 hours 19 minutes. Still at 1%, so we'd easily got 6 hours 20 minutes, a little bit more, which is excellent if you're camping or you're away, camper van, camping out, whatever. That's 6 hours of streaming videos, 6 hours of whatever. So there you are, LinkPower 3 from PeakDo. Link in the description, link in the pinned comment. If you found that video useful, do give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.